Vehicle-mounted smoke emission monitoring and decibel reading device with alerting system. In this demo video, we will show you how the prototype will work by explaining all of the features. For the registration feature, the last two digits of the vehicle plate number is being inputted where this indicates the week and the month of the registration. In this first trial shows the newly registered vehicle. 12 signifies the registration is in first week of February 2023, since it is newly bought on year 2023, indicating a 3-year registration according to the new rules of LTO. For the second trial, the vehicle plate number ending in 20, indicating first week of October, registered in 2023. Since next year registration is in 2024, it means that the registration is due for renewal. For the third trial, the vehicle plate number ending in 11, indicating first week of January 2010, and the last year of registration is 2022, which indicates that it is already expired and should be registered as soon as possible. A notification message is also sent via SMS. It is served as the alerting system of the prototype. For the diesel emission testing, it is conducted by purging the vehicle for 6 times and averaging the 4 closest purges as the final result of the emission test. In this testing, the result of the emission test conducted is 1.58K value. And before testing the prototype, the researchers waited the go signal of the operator.
Yes, sir. Ayun. Sir, nyati yung model ng ata. Ay, excuse me, sir, nyati yung model ng ano ba? 12, sir?
After the test of the machine, the researchers will test their prototype right after the machine for comparison of the results. First, the researchers perform the initialization by inputting the vehicle's registration. After the initialization, the prototype can now monitor the vehicle, observing the vehicle's smoke density and showing the reading on the LCD. Here is the comparison of the result of the machine and the result in the prototype. For the second diesel emission test, it is also the same procedure conducted in the first test, which is the 6 purges are done and averaging the 4 closest results of the test.
First purge. 2.5.
The result of the emission test conducted is 2.32 K value. The result has surpassed the parameters and resulted in a failed emission test.
Pwede ka, men? Okay. Sir, yung model na dilogan? 2016, sir? 2016, sir? 2016 daw. Oo. Uy, yung lock yun. Lapit mo, pre. Ha?
Plate number?
5.5.
2016?
Oo, 2016. Wait lang, sir. Wait lang, sir. Okay, sir. Okay na, sir. Lapit mo pa.
Here is the comparison of the result of the machine and the result in the prototype. The prototype has also a failed reading indicating a failed emission test, resulting to a SMS being sent to the remote device for the alerting system. For the gasoline emission testing, it is conducted by placing the emission kit on the vehicle exhaust and wait for 10 seconds to test the concentration of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. In this testing, the result of the test is 0.00 for carbon monoxide and 8 for hydrocarbons. After the test of the machine, the researchers will test their prototype. The researchers performed the initialization by inputting the vehicle's registration. After the initialization, the prototype can now monitor the vehicle. Here is the comparison of the result of the machine and the result in the prototype. For the second gasoline emission test, it is also conducted with the same procedure in the first testing. The result of the test is 8.73 for carbon monoxide and 887 for hydrocarbons. The test has surpassed the parameters, resulted in a failed emission test.
98 pala.
Okay na. Ito. Register ba? 22. As the result of the test, the prototype reading has also a failed reading, indicating a failed emission test, resulting in a SMS being sent to the remote device for the alerting system.
Okay na?
In this trial, the first decibel test, the machine has a reading of 83 decibel and the prototype did not alarm, indicating that the sound produced by the vehicle has not surpassed the 99 decibel limit. For the decibel reading test, it is conducted by placing the prototype on the vehicle exhaust and purge it until it reaches 2500 RPM, and the noise produced should not be exceeding 99 decibel for it to pass the test. The second decibel test, the machine shows a reading of 102.2 decibel. The prototype displayed an alarm in the LCD, indicating that the sound produced by the vehicle has surpassed the 99 decibel limit. Lastly, the data logger. The image shows the backup data of every violation of the vehicle, the exceeded parameters for diesel engine, and the exceeded parameters for gasoline engine, and lastly, the exceeded parameters for decibel. That's all. Thank you for watching.